Oakley dokley. We are going to look at the last question. It's a bit more complicated. It's the soccer team. Six. So maybe you read this, you think there's 11 people. I've got to choose all 11 of them. There's only one way to do that. The answer's one. But this question's about how many different arrangements of the people could you get in these positions: attackers, midfields, defenders, goalkeeper. So it's a little bit different to some of the others. And if you're like me, you might find this helpful. I like to draw out the team. So these are my attackers here. Then I had 3 midfield. Then we had 4 defence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Def for defence. And then we've got our goalie. Only one of those, all right? So we started off with 11 people. 3 of them are going. We've got to choose 3 for attack. That brings us down to 8 left to choose from. 3 for midfield. We've got 5 left. We've got to choose 4 have to be chosen for defence. Then you're left with 1, choose 1, which is just 1. We're multiplying through all these AND statements, and we will get an answer. So let's put all that into a calculator. Just try and do this quickly. So it's 11, 8, 5. We've got here, I'll change these numbers. So we've got 11. We've got to choose 3 for attack. And we had 8 left. 8 left. We're choosing 3 for midfield. Then we've got 5 left. We have to choose 4. And I won't bother to type in the goalie. 1, choose 1. Oof, that is ridiculous. 46,200 different combinations in those positions. Incredible. 46,200 ways. Sheesh, had to do a double take there. There's a big number. All right. In the next question, similar, still a soccer team, but they start saying certain people have to be in certain positions. They say Melissa's goalkeeper, Linda's attacker, Robin can't be defender. All right, so I think, what was it? Melissa's goalie. She's got to go there. Linda's got to be in attack. Robin can't be defence. I'm going to start with defence and think, well, I've put a player in attack and I've put a player in goals. I've got 9 left. But if I start with defence, knowing that Robin can't go there, I've actually only got 8 left to choose from. Because there's no Robin. Robin's saying, not going in defence, not today, not happening. So you're only going to have 8 to choose from in defence. Then to midfield, how many are you going to have left now? We've used 6, 1, 2, and then 4. You've used 6, you've got 5 left. Got to choose 3 here. And then this will just be 1. You've got 2 players left, but you're choosing both of them. So 2, choose 2. There's only one way to do that. Multiplying all through. And I did this question earlier and I got 700. Okay. And it worked fine. There is another way that you might have wanted to do this question. Like this. You could have said, instead of thinking about where Robin is not, let's think about where Robin is. Robin could be an attack, or Robin, the or. Or's important. What does or mean in probability? It means we'll have to add. It's supposed to be an O. Or Robin could be in midfield. Right. So here's my scenarios. Attack, midfield, defense, 4 defenders, goalie. Attack, midfield, defense, goalie. All right, Linda, she's got to be in attack. Melissa, got to be in goalie. I'm going to put Robin in attack. Times. All right. There's 8 people left, so we 8 choose 1. Okay. Then you've got your midfield. This is the attacks. Then you got your midfields. And then you got your defenders. Now the midfields, how many are left here? There's 7 left to choose from. 7, choose 3. And we've got 4 left. 4, choose all 4. There's only one way to do that. Got 4 things, you have to choose all of them. Well, you just chose all of them, and there was only one way you could do that. If order doesn't matter, of course, which it doesn't because we're looking at combinations. So here's the other way. We put Robin into the midfield, right? That means in the attackers, there's 8 left. You've got to choose 2 of them. 8, choose 2. Okay, in the midfield, hang on, how many have we chosen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 6 left. We've got 6 people left. We have to choose 2 for midfield. Times. And then we've got 4, choose 4. I'm just going to write 1. 4, choose 4 is 1. So what this all boils down to is 8, choose 1. So that's 8 times 7, choose 3. All right. That's this bit. And plus 8, choose 2 times 6, choose 2. Okay. And that's all that really needs to go into calculate. Everything else is just a 1. And don't forget you've got the 2 options you need to add up. So 8, 7, choose 3, and then I've got an 8 and a 6. I'm going to try and remember all this. We should get 700. So, no, don't do that. I need to make this a cursor. Let's have a look. Let's clear everything. We've got 8. Come on, memory, you can do this. 8, choose 1. This is when we put Robin in attack, and we only had 1 more in attack to choose from. Okay, then we had 7, choose 3. All right, now we need to add that. Remember what we did. Okay, in the next scenario, we've got 8 people to choose from for attack, and we have to choose 2 of them. Okay, 8. Actually, let me just cut and paste this, it'll be quicker. Oh no, let's put an 8 out the front. Let's delete that. Okay, 8, choose 2. Because Robin is in midfield, so we've got 2 more attackers to choose. Now, at this point, we're only down to 6 players. Robin's already in midfield, so we only have to choose 2 for midfield. You get 420, and if you do 420 plus 280, what do you get? You get 700, right? So that might be a way that's a bit easier for you to see. If we put Robin in attack, there's one scenario. We put Robin in midfield, there's another scenario. We'll just add them up. Okay. All right. Thank you.